Couple therapy has been described as flying a helicopter in a tornado, and many practitioners find it very challenging to find their way into and out of the dramas and dilemmas that are the everyday reality of distressed partners. Imagine that you had a clear map to those dramas and to the emotional music that drives those dramas. A map based on the science of adult love and bonding. Imagine that you understood just what was happening and why, and exactly what you needed to do to set it right. That you had a clear set of interventions that had been tested in over 20 empirical studies and shown to create lasting change. Welcome to the world of EFT, emotionally focused couple and family therapy. I'm Dr. Sue Johnson, developer of EFT and author of the bestseller Hold Me Tight, 7 Conversations for a Lifetime of Love. We are now offering you an online certificate course in EFT that will outline the theory, goals, steps, and interventions of this model in a succinct, easy-to-learn format. We offer you exercises to help you make the model your own, stories to help you tune into what you're learning, and real consultation sessions to watch and learn from. We show you how to use emotion to evoke new responses in partners, how to deal with escalation, and how to heal injuries like affairs. Let me show you just how far couple therapy has come in the last decade. Let me inspire you and make each and every session a safe, satisfying adventure for you and for your clients. Come and join us in this certificate course in EFT, Attachment-Based Interventions for Couples in Crisis. I'll see you there.